Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to solve this question. The question is, we have a rectangle and there are three circles inside this rectangle and the radius of these three circles are equal to 1. How to calculate the area of this rectangle? How can we solve this? Before starting the solution, like the video, and if you're new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. Let the length of this rectangle is L and the width of this rectangle is W. Then the required area will be equal to length multiplied by width. How can we calculate the length? If we draw this line, clearly the length of this line is 4 because the diameter of this circle is 2 and this circle is also 2. So the length is 4. How to calculate the width? First we draw this line. This is the width of this rectangle and from here to here this length is also 1 and from here to here this length is also 1. How to calculate this length? So we draw a line from this center to this center and this line, this is also 1 and this is 1, this is 1. So now we can calculate the unknown length by Pythagoras theorem. Let this length is x. So by Pythagoras theorem we can write x square equal to 2 square minus 1 square and 4 minus 1 is 3. So x square equal to 3, x equal to plus minus square root of 3 and this is the length. So x equal to square root of 3. Now the required area will be equal to 4 multiplied by 1 plus square root of 3. So the width is 2 plus square root of 3 and if we multiply this, so this is equal to 8 plus 4 square root of 3 centimeter square, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.